Here is a step-by-step guide to jumpstart a car. 1. Put the car in park, neutral if it's a manual, and apply the parking brake. 2. Turn the ignition off, open the bonnet and locate your battery. Sometimes it's in the boot. 3. Identify the battery's positive terminal, usually marked with a plus symbol and/or red colour, and negative terminal, usually marked with a minus symbol and/or black colour. 4. Park another vehicle within reach of your jumper cables, with their batteries as close as possible, and leave it running. 5. Using a jumper cable, clamp the positive red cable to the positive terminal of the flat battery, and then to the positive terminal of the running car. 6. Follow the same procedure with the negative black cable. It's important you use this sequence of red, then black, one at a time. 7. Some vehicles require the negative cable to be connected to the engine block or another earthing point, as shown here, not the battery, so check your owner's manual. 8. Once the connection is made, wait a minute or two to ensure the flat battery has enough charge to start the disabled car. 9. Start the car as you usually would, then disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order. 10. You could also use a jump starter pack, available from all good automotive retail stores. It is used the same way as the steps above, minus needing to use a car. Once it starts, keep your car running, or better still, drive it for at least 30 minutes to maximise its battery charge.